Alice. She's looking at a lawnmower. Ooh. Wow, what are we doing? Let's smoke up. It's a bit playful. There's Maria again. Alice is a good girl. She's really sweet. She likes to cuddle with people on her own terms, so. Oh, she's kissing me. Good girls. They're being playful. Okay. So this has turned into kitty play hour. That's cute. Alice is a good girl. She does like to cuddle on her own terms. She's being a man. She's being funny. A funny kitty. Okay. Maria won't stop biting Mike. Watch it, Maria. There's a lawnmower. Oh, wow. These are my fosters. Good girl. They're really, really playful today, so